Welcome friends, my name is Jane and today I'm excited to discuss Neville Goddards' manifestation techniques. By following these steps, we can manifest our desires almost effortlessly, without any hesitation. Follow along with me as we begin our journey by discussing the 4 steps needed to manifest our wishes. Step 1. Take the time to figure out what it is that you truly want to manifest. Spend some time thinking it through, making sure you are crystal clear on your end goal. Then, focus your energy and attention on that desire. Take time to meditate and visualize what it would be like if you already had this desire. Step 2. Get into the feeling state. Imagine that you already have your desire fulfilled. Let the joy of knowing that your wish is already fulfilled fill your entire body. Picture yourself living in a state of bliss, knowing that your desire has already been realized. Step 3. Express. Give thanks for your desire being fulfilled. Speak out loud or in your head, saying thank you for this wish being fulfilled. I am beyond grateful for it. Believe that your wish is being granted and that you deserve it. Step 4. The 4th and final step is to release your desire. Let go and don't dwell on it, allowing yourself to be open to the possibility of your dream becoming a reality. Repeat this process as often as you can until your desired result is manifest. It takes practice, but the infinite possibilities that await when you unlock this power are truly breathtaking. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful in explaining how to use the manifestation techniques of Neville Goddard. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to click that subscribe button or that old man at the bottom right of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and join me again next time.